Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 19, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. In this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 8.09% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 14 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.58% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through the weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger upward momentum. Should there be any pullback, support will now be established at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been breached at $243.61. This level may provide a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, $260.18 will serve as the next likely peak, presenting a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 5.73% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 2.71% to positive 4.39%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 33.27% change over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 11.96% and 42.10%. This translates to a price range of $276.25 to $350.64 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Monday trading session. The Apple stock price increased by 1.61% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, rising from $242.84 to $246.75. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.27%, with a low of $241.76 and a high of $247.24. The price has seen an upward trend, rising in 8 of the last 10 days, and is up by 7.34% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on that day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the previous day. Overall, 42 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $10.330 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $247.24, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 0.20% or 49 cents, below the 52-week high of $247.24, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple continues to attract attention with several key developments impacting its stock. Today's news highlights the ongoing legal challenges Apple faces regarding its abandoned iCloud child sexual abuse material scanner, which has sparked lawsuits alleging the company isn't doing enough to prevent the spread of harmful content. These accusations could pose reputational risks and may affect investor sentiment in the short term, potentially pressuring the stock price. On a more positive note, Apple's fourth quarter earnings report suggests mixed results, with analysts recognizing the company's strong installed base and growth in services and subscription revenues. This resilience could provide a solid foundation for long-term growth, as a higher return on capital employed indicates potential for margin expansion going forward. Additionally, Apple is collaborating with Sony to enhance its Vision Pro headset, focusing on integrating specialized controllers for virtual reality gaming. This partnership could elevate Apple's presence in the gaming sector, possibly attracting a younger demographic and driving future sales. Despite some headwinds, analysts like Ben Reitzes describe Apple's stock as Teflon, remaining robust even amidst attempts to decline. This durability signals strong investor confidence, which could help maintain the stock's value in volatile market conditions. Lastly, recognition as one of America's best-managed companies reinforces Apple's operational effectiveness, instilling further investor trust and potentially boosting stock performance over the long haul. Overall, these mixed but generally optimistic developments may lead to a stable outlook for Apple's stock in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Apple a rating of outperform along with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, UBS rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. Also on Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, Jefferies provided Apple with a hold rating and a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, KeyBank assigned Apple a rating of underweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is situated above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support will be provided at levels of $242.17 and $231.49. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was established from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 11.14%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is identified. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18th, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique pattern. This combination is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 25 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 141 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $232.87 and $228.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $232.87. If this breaks, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $228.20 and $224.23. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $5.48 between high and low, or 2.27%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively normal PE ratio, often associated with companies that have established track records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on February 6, 2025. Analysts are estimating earnings of $2.36 per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple, drawn from various analyst sources, stands at a neutral position. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo performed an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 28.072. In total, insiders have purchased 2,065,334 shares, while selling 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $236.41, which represents a decline of 4.19%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 96, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple shows several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of December, We anticipate that Apple will open down $1.50, beginning trading at $245.25. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.